Welcome. In front of me is a HAFURY GT20 and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card and SD card into this phone. So, to get started, you will need to grab a SIM ejector similar to this one, which should come provided with the device and the box. But if you can't find it, you could just use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the top left side of the phone, right here where the pin is holding. You want to push the pin in. There we go. And you can see the tray comes out enough for you to be able to grab it and take it out. And from here you have space for one SIM card and one SD card, or two different SIM cards. Now if you're planning to use dual SIM, just place one of them like this. I'm going to be using one of each, so I'm going to move it over like so, and from there carefully insert it back into your device. And as you can see, it's already detecting that there is a SIM card, it's looking for services, and it's already also detected SD card, which you can see right over here. So there we go. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.